Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Hilary, the Freitas Marketing Mom. And today, what I'm going to be sharing with you is the Facebook Power Editor. Now, in my blog post, if you haven't already blog post, the link is right below. But in this blog post, it's basically to show you how easy it is to adjust an ad that you created in Facebook Ad Manager in the Power Editor. And why this is important, as you will see in my blog, is that Power Editor gives you a little more options and a little more leeway than the regular Ad Manager. So what you want to do first of all is, if you've never created an ad, don't worry about that. We have other blog posts and videos to help you with that. But you go onto your Facebook home page, which is your news feed. All right, and I'm just gonna zoom in here a little, and you're gonna go over to your ad manager. All right, right, I'm gonna go over to ad manager, and this is just so you can see everything. All right, now in your ad manager, you'll see, okay, you've got, if you're running ads, you'll see that you got a few ads running and everything. But what I want you to do is focus on this left hand side here, and scrolling down, what you see is Power Editor. Okay, so this is most important. I'm going to open this in a new tab just so that we can switch back and forth. All right, so in Power Editor now, one of the first things that you have to do if you're using Power Editor is you kind of have to update Power Editor in a sense. Okay, so right, what you're gonna do is, the first thing you have to do is select the account and then download. Okay, and you want to download all the data, because basically what happens is Power Editor is not on your ad manager, so you have to basically drop all the information down into Power Editor so that then you can make the changes. So I'm just going to bring us back out just a little bit so that you can see, what it looks like. And as I said in the blog post, if you're a Linux person, this will make like all the sense in the world to you. All right. And what you'll notice is that right at the top here, it tells you which account you're managing. So everything has been downloaded. So basically what that has done is taken everything that was in my ad manager over here and just put it into my Power Editor so that I could choose and select which ones I want to. All right. So we are going to manage an ad. And this is the one ad that I have running. And this is the ad that we were talking about. And what you do is you actually select the ad set, and you want to go over here basically and select the ad. That's specifically the ad that you want to edit. And then, so this is where, Power Editor is very, let's say, non-user friendly. It's not Windows. It's not like a Windows application. It's very Linux as far as I'm concerned. All right, and you're going to review your ad. And what I was saying here is that at first, in your ad manager, or easy editor if you want to call it that, I had a limit of, I believe it was 90 words that I could have placed up here in my text. But you see how much I got here, and as I kept typing, there was, I didn't even know what the limit was, because I was able to get all the text that I wanted in here. Previously, I had literally 2 sentences, and I think it was 120 characters if I was not mistaken. All right. Also in here, as I was telling you, they tell you which ones, opens in Ad Manager, opens in Reporting, etc. So there's some things that you can do and can't do in Power Editor. But most importantly, for this ad, I wasn't able to put in a tracking pixel when I first created it over here in Ad Manager. But here in Power Editor, I'm able to add a tracking pixel, which you can see is active. So I'm not only getting information about the views of this video, but I'm also getting information about the views on the destination page as well. All right. So, and once you have finished making any changes to the ad here, this upload changes is going to turn green. Once it turns green, you know that you have to re-upload. You'd click upload. Once it's done, you hit OK. And then you go back to your ad manager, and you will see that your ad is awaiting approval. All right, so changes that you make over here in Power Editor, basically they still have to go through the same ad manager process, but you get a lot more editorial capabilities over here in Power Editor. All right, so that's what we're going to do for now. It's just a quick overview. We're going to delve into Power Editor and all of the things that you can do there for each different type of ad objective, but that's, you know, for another trading. So I hope you got value from this, and share this information with your friends and family, and you could finish reading the blog if you haven't read the blog as yet. Have a great day. This has been Hillary Marketing More.